my dear, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing this gorgeous French manicure, and yes, this one right here. And I have to say, I'm a total French tip fan. Plus on any length. So when I hear someone say French won't look good on my short nails, I'm like, no girl. I just mean your tag didn't know how to draw a proper French, because a French can look stunning on short nails too. If it's done right, of course. Okay, let's get started. As always, I'm using my favorite bead, the green Christmas tree carpet bead. I've said this before and I'll say it again. I love this bead. I use it for removal and later I will use it again for clean up the natural nail under the hard gel. And now I won't lie, this wasn't my best previous set. I can actually see some lifting on few nails. And I'll be honest, that's happened because I didn't file down the previous natural nail enough before applying the new product. So this time I'm making sure to file down all the way, leaving only the artificial gel so we don't run into the same issue. Okay, and after removal, we move on the prep. And yes, I say this every video, but that's because in Russian manicure, every step matters. You can't cut corners. So if you only remove 50% of the lifting, guess what? You will get even more lifting later and damage the natural nail even more. Same goes for cuticle work. If you only clean it halfway, your application won't look clean and you will get liftings. Any leftover cuticle or pterygium will block product adhesion and the gel will flood the side walls or lift. So we don't need this, we don't want that, so I'm doing it right from the beginning. Here I'm already applied the cuticle powder and switched to my flame bead with a blue green because this client has a firmer cuticle. And for example, if I decided to use a red, more like soft bead here, it would close super quickly and I need like 3 or 4 beads just to get through one manicure. That's so wasteful. So I go with a sharper bead that matches the skin type. Always choose the right bead for the job. Okay, let's get back to the nails. I work on the left side first using forward mode and then switch to the reverse for the right side. This is my go-to conveyor technique, fast, clean and efficient. And now we're ready to remove the cuticle, and I'm doing it completely with e-file technique. No cutting tools at all, no nippers, no scissors, nothing. I already declared my love for e-file only manicures. First of all, it's a 2-in-1. While removing the cuticle, you're also polish the skin. You don't need to go back over it, so it's gonna save your time a lot. So satisfying. Okay, we are done with the e-file cleaning, and before we start applying product, I wipe the nail plates to remove any natural oils and dust. Of course, even if the nails looks clean, if you took off all your dust with a brush, always double check. Proper prep is what makes your sets last longer. And now I'm applying a thin layer of rubber base. This works as a bonding layer between the natural nail and the hard gel. Why? Because the natural nail is flexible, it bends. But hard gel is hard. And if you apply hard gel directly, it can separate easily. The rubber base acts like a cushion, keeping everything connected. And let's go to the next step. Now I'm going in with a hard gel using my signature technique, and today I'm using the hard gel from InHype brand. Funny story, I actually ordered it from Amazon kind of by accident. I was trying to hit the free shipping minimum because I didn't have the Prime yet, and I heard of this brand. I was followed on their Instagram but never tried it, so I thought, why not? And it turned out so amazing. It's got perfect consistency. It doesn't run, not too thick, self levels just right. If you're a nail tech, you know how hard it is to find a gel that just gets you. This one, It gets me. Okay, and once I cure the hard gel on all nails, I remove the sticky layer and begin shaping. My client asked me for the square nails and I love the shape. It's classy, it's chic, and yes, it works even on short nails. And let me say this again. Short nails can still look good and elegant if you sculpt them right. That's why your client comes to you. And after all the steps, after making the perfect shape, I'm starting by remove the natural nail underneath the hard gel. And by the way, I'm currently filming my online course for Russian manicure. It's gonna be a full beginner-friendly course designed for people who have never even held an e-file before. I will walk you through everything: theory, prep, sanitation, cuticle work, product application, like all with real models, not just perfect nails. There will be tricky hands too, because the real clients aren't always Instagram perfect. So if you want to pre-register, I'm dropping a Google form below. Just leave your email and once it's ready, I will send you out a discount code for early birds. And now I begin to paint a French manicure, just a classic white tip. I use my signature lathe method and it always gives that clean, symmetrical smile line. The last step is applying the top coat. I feel it's the easiest one. But you still have to keep in mind some secrets because that I already said, like every step in Russian manicure is patterns. Okay, and here's the final look. Can you believe these are short nails? They look so sleek and elegant, and my clients actually left me a sweetest review on Google Maps. And I feel that's it for today, my loves. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment this video. I read every comment and your support means a lot. See you in the next one. Love you!